Who is snoring? Yeah.
Repeat, zombie down. They're coming. I can feel it. Please, come with us. The cliffs are safe.
Michelle is over here.
You stay.
Dad, we'll still make it to the Silver Cliffs.
Did you copy? If you haven't found cover, then do so now. The first of the fast zombies should be reaching you any minute. Guys? Guys? Everything will work for him.
It's not.